Young student, you think your life is hard? You wake up thinking about rent, tuition, credit card bills. But I ask you, what is survival? Long before banks, before credit scores, before student loans, we fought winter. When we hunted a mammoth, we did not eat everything in one night. We saved for winter, because winter always comes. You get $1,000 from your part-time job. If you spend $1,000, what happens when winter comes? Budget is simple. Survive first, enjoy later. Food first, shelter first, tools first, then celebration. Many students today eat the whole mammoth in one night. Subscriptions, impulse buying, lifestyle pressure. But winter does not care about lifestyle. Winter only asks, did you prepare? When we borrowed a spear from another tribe, we returned it stronger, sharper. Student loan is a tool. Education is your spear. But if you waste it, it becomes a weapon against you. Debt is not evil. Ignorance is. If you borrow money, make sure it increases your power to earn, not your power to impress. In my tribe, trust was everything. If you broke your word, no one helped you hunt, no one shared food, no one protected you. Your credit score is modern tribe trust. Pay on time, keep your promises, build trust slowly, protect it fiercely. Now, listen carefully. If I plant one seed today and wait many seasons, through sun, through rain, through snow, that seed becomes a tree. Investing works the same way. Start early. Even small money grows. Time is stronger than muscle. Time is stronger than intelligence. Time is your greatest financial weapon. Many students wait. They say, I will invest when I earn more. But seasons do not wait. The earlier you begin, the bigger the tree. Emergency fund is your winter storage, 3 months, 6 months, so when winter comes, you do not panic. You prepare, you survive, you grow, you live in a modern world. But survival rules never changed. Spend less than you earn, save before you celebrate, borrow with purpose, invest early, protect your trust, and you will never fear winter.